Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to turn a joker bowl, and right now we are just marking out for a mortise and a foot. Alright, we've got the camera turned round and the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to round. And the first tool we are using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. And all tools used in this video will be linked down below, and they all have a negative rake cutter on them. Going right up to the foot here. And now we switch to the rougher. Back to the finisher. Getting that final shape that we want, and we're on to the rougher again. And there we go. Alright, bit of glow in the dark action. And now we're going to make the mortise, and we're going to use the mid-size rougher. Let's start by flattening everything off. Glow in the dark camera over. Here's the detailer, so it matches the angles of the jaws of the chop. And there you go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand to 240 grit here. There we go. We have a clean with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive paste. You wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit.
If I'm the bad one, take a look at yourself in the mirror. If I'm the worst one, ask anybody else.
There we go, last few wipes. There we go. And some Yorkshire Grit Microfine. Exactly the same as before, you wipe it all over till you have a clean paper towel. Here we go, last few wipes. And there we go. And now some Hampshire Scene finishing wax. You wipe this all over Turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Careful not to push too hard, you want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Just build up that heat. There we go, outside done. Alright, we're going to drill out the inside now using a Forstner bit. There we go. And now we're going to start by hollowing. And for that we're going to use the #1 hollower. So this blank was given to me from Matt from Wacky Works, so I'll leave a link to his channel up in the cards. So thank you, Matt.
Knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the face of defeat, yeah.
There we go. Checking the old wall thickness with our finger calipers. Alright, once again already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to sand to 240 grit here. There we go. Clean it out with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive paste. Once again, wipe it all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There we go. Alright, some Yorkshire Grit Microfine, exactly the same as before. Wipe it all over till you have a clean paper towel. There we go. And finally some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. Exactly the same as the outside. Wipe it all over and turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard, you want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. So I hope you enjoyed the turning of the Joker bowl. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.